Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Khishar. Today, I will share with you how to speak English confidently and fluently. Many learners feel nervous when they speak. They think people will laugh at their mistakes. But let me tell you something important. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So, if you are learning English, you should not feel shy or afraid. Building confidence. Confidence comes when you practice. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. Think about a child who learns to walk. At first, the child falls many times. But after trying again and again, the child can walk perfectly. Speaking English is the same. One way to build confidence is to think in English. Don't translate every word in your head. Instead, look around you and describe things in English. For example, you can say, I see a blue sky. The weather is nice. I have a cup of tea. This habit will train your brain to use English naturally. Another tip? Smile when you speak English. A smile relaxes your face and your voice. It also makes people feel comfortable listening to you. When you smile, you sound more confident and friendly. Fluency tip. Fluency is about speaking smoothly, not about speaking perfectly. To improve fluency, practice every single day, even for a short time. 10 minutes of daily speaking practice is better than 1 hour once a week. Use simple and clear sentences. For example, instead of saying, I am absolutely exhausted, you can say, I am very tired. This way, you don't get stuck searching for difficult words. Fluency means keeping the conversation moving. Another tip, learn phrases, not just words. When you learn words alone, it is hard to make sentences. But when you learn phrases, you can speak faster. For example, by the way, that's a good idea. Can you help me with this? These phrases make your English sound natural. Listening is also very important. Listen to English podcasts, movies, or songs. Then repeat what you hear. This technique is called shadowing. It means you copy the speaker's words, tone, and rhythm. It feels strange at first, but it helps you sound more fluent. Now let's practice together. I will say a sentence and you can repeat it after me. Hello, how are you today? My name is Khishar. I am learning English every day. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? That was a wonderful movie. Don't worry, everything will be fine. I like learning new things. Speaking English makes me happy. I am becoming more confident. Every day, I am improving my English. Great job. When you practice like this every day, your fluency grows step by step. Let me share how you can practice daily. First, talk to yourself in English. It may feel strange, but it really works. For example, when you wake up, you can say, Good morning. Today I will study English. I feel excited about my day second. Record your voice on your phone. Listen to yourself and notice how you sound. At first, you may not like your voice, but over time, you will hear your progress. Third, use English in daily life. If you are cooking, say the steps in English. I am cutting the vegetables. I am boiling water. I am adding salt. This way, English becomes a part of your daily routine. Finally, don't wait for perfect grammar. Communication is more important than perfection. If people understand you, you are already successful. So today, we learned how to speak English with confidence and fluency. We talked about building confidence, practicing fluency, and speaking every day. We also practiced sentences together. Remember, the key is practice, not perfection. Speak a little every day, and soon you will notice a big difference. Your challenge for today is this. Speak in English for 5 minutes without stopping. It can be about your day, your family, or your hobbies. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Thank you for listening to English with Khishar. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next episode. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.